up a little bit. I mean, it's the same car, just headlights in the hood. This is how you carry a Cavalier hood inside a Toyota Avalon. It fits! Hello everybody, welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. Today we'll be working on this 2001 Chevy Cavalier, and this is what's happened. This is Bill's car, the camera guy. He's behind the camera. Hello Bill. So he was driving back from work at night and two deer showed up, and this is what happened. Deer got freaked out and fell on the hood, so damaged fender, hood, light. Let me open the hood. We'll see what's the damage goes, how far it is, and we'll see. Alright, so as you can see, so far there isn't much damage in here. The only thing I can see, this corner is bent down a little bit. Hinges are okay. So what the plan for the day is, we need to get the hood replaced and the headlight fixed. And that's pretty much, we're not going to go anything for the fender or anything like that. Well, it's out of the budget anyway. So this first time we do body work like this, so welcome along to the experience.
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
This cut is fresh.
Alright guys, as you can see, we got it fixed. First thing, just to say, we are not going for a beauty contest. We just needed to be back on the road as legal and safe as possible. For Iowa, if you run a car without fenders, that's legal, so don't freak out. It's bended fender. We don't care. Different colors. Iowa doesn't care about that stuff. As long as you have headlights, tail lights, blinkers, your brakes working, you're fine. All right, so that's one thing. The other thing is we want to thank Olson's Salvage Yard.
Everything it was a great price. I mean, you can't beat a hood for $50 and $25 a headlight, and they took it off for us and brought it to us. I mean, you really can't beat that kind of service and price. Because I mean, we got yards out here that charge, that hood probably 125, 50 to 75 a light, and for that little bit of drive that we did, great scenery. Look what we got. Great value, good parts.
Okay, and what city they are in?
They're between like Rowley and Quasington. They're kind of out in the country. It's just an absolutely huge yard.
Yep, it's a huge yard, but just word of caution, you gotta drive some gravel roads though.
Yep.
For a little bit. But yeah, aside of that, you cannot really beat the price, and people are really nice out there. Let us go in the yard and walk around.
Mm-hmm.
But again, so this beauty 2001 Cavalier is back on the road, and deers be aware. And again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.